Welcome to this introduction to PowerShell Desired State Configuration. Commonly known as DSC, this is a powerful tool that helps system administrators manage infrastructure through code. DSC is a declarative platform for configuring and managing both Windows and Linux systems. The key word here is declarative, which means you describe what you want the system to look like, rather than writing step-by-step instructions on how to achieve it. This approach makes configuration management much simpler and more reliable. DSC embodies the concept of infrastructure as code. First, it's declarative, meaning you define the desired state rather than the steps to reach it. Second, it's idempotent, which means you can apply the same configuration multiple times and always get the same result without causing problems. Third, you can store your configurations in version control systems to track changes over time. And finally, it's scalable, allowing you to manage hundreds or even thousands of servers consistently from a single configuration. DSC has three core components. The configuration is a PowerShell script that defines your desired state. Resources are the building blocks that actually configure different aspects of your system, like files, services, or registry settings. And the LCM, or Local Configuration Manager, is the engine that runs on each target machine and applies the configurations. Here's a simple example of a DSC configuration. You start with the configuration keyword followed by a name. Inside, you define a node, which represents the target computer. In this case, we're using localhost. Then you specify a resource. Here it's the file resource, which ensures a file exists at a specific location with specific content. This configuration will create a file called example.txt in the C drive with the content hello, DSC exclamation mark. PowerShell DSC comes with many built-in resources. The file resource manages files and directories. The package resource handles software installation and removal. The registry resource configures registry keys and values on Windows systems. And the service resource controls Windows services, allowing you to ensure services are running or stopped as needed. DSC supports two configuration modes. In push mode, an administrator directly pushes configurations to target nodes. This gives you immediate control and is useful for smaller environments or one-time changes. In pull mode, nodes automatically pull their configurations from a central server on a schedule. This is better for large-scale deployments where you want systems to self-configure and maintain their state automatically. The DSC workflow has four main steps. First, you write your configuration in PowerShell using a simple, readable syntax. Second, you compile that configuration into a MOF document, which stands for Managed Object Format. This is a standardized format that the system can understand. Third, the Local Configuration Manager applies the MOF document to the target system, making the necessary changes. And fourth, the LCM continuously monitors the system and maintains the desired state, fixing any drift that occurs over time. DSC provides several key benefits. Consistency ensures that all your systems have identical configurations, eliminating those "it works on my machine" problems. Efficiency comes from automating repetitive tasks across many systems simultaneously. Compliance is easier because you can enforce security and policy standards automatically. And visibility lets you track configuration drift and see exactly what changes have been made across your infrastructure. When getting started with DSC, begin with simple configurations like managing a single file or service. As you become more comfortable with the DSC fundamentals, gradually build up to more complex scenarios. The declarative nature of DSC makes it approachable for beginners while being powerful enough for advanced infrastructure management. In upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into creating your own configurations and exploring advanced DSC features.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.